Good morning, everybody. This is a repair for a 2004 till 2010 Sienna XLE. When the third row power doors don't work, what happens is they get stuck. Power seats. Power seats don't work. What happens is they get stuck, and then you can't put them up and down. Very annoying. And I think the dealer tells you to buy new seats for that or something. So our main technician here, Jesse Lopez, he created his own system. He used from a Hell Pilot, any auto parts store, there are the springs, part number, hold on, can you see it? Huh? What's going on? Part number 29005. Okay, you get 4 of those springs. You install them this way. So one side goes here, the other side goes on the black clip next to the cable. So you do that on all 4 sides. And once you do that, the doors work perfect, the seats work perfectly fine, go up and down. Should save you a few $100 or $1,000 hopefully. Yep, everything is working.